Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. Today I want to profile the 1994 All America Selections winner, the Big Beef. This plant's been around for 20 plus years. It's pretty much a standard in many gardens. It's an indeterminate variety tomato, which means it will continue to grow through the entire season. This is going to get about 6 feet tall. It's going to require staking, but it's going to continue to produce through the whole season until frost comes and takes the plant. You can see a nice large red tomato back there. We'll cut that open. I'll show you what it looks like. It's a nice meaty tomato. These are going to produce 8 to 12 ounce tomatoes. There's about 15 on this plant right now. I put this in towards the end of April from a transplant. It will mature, well, it'll start producing tomatoes in about 70 to 75 days from transplant. You can see another one over there. I love this plant because it matures quickly for an indeterminate variety and gets me some nice large tomatoes quickly into the garden, so to speak, but it continues to produce. There's 15 tomatoes on here right now and it's still growing. We're really in mid-June right now. So this will continue to produce through June, July, August, and into September. It has multiple disease resistance. A lot of tomatoes started to be bred to really fend off the different diseases that come to your garden. So when you're buying an All America Selections winner, you're going to find the proof is in the plant, which means you're going to see that it produces. It's a vigorous plant that grows well. It'll have disease resistance. It's going to do extremely well in your garden. And again, this is an indeterminate variety. Sometimes you may choose to grow determinate varieties. Determinate tomatoes get to a set height. This is a celebrity. This is also a past AAS winner. This plant will get to about 4 feet. It tends to flower over a period of time, over a couple of weeks. The fruit starts coming in and you get a big production over maybe say a 2-week span, and then the tomato plant dies back. And you may need determinate varieties if you're growing in containers, or if you have limited space, you might want to do a combination of both. That's what I do. I like growing the indeterminate varieties, like the Big Beef, and then I like throwing in some determinate varieties. The determinate varieties tend to produce sooner, and this way I'm getting tomatoes throughout the entire season. All right, let's get to cutting open that large tomato. I like the Big Beef variety because it starts producing early for an indeterminate variety. Beautiful 8 to 12 ounce fruits. It's going to continue producing until the frost comes, and again 70 to 75 days once this goes into the ground from transplant, you're going to start getting tomatoes, and there's 15 on here already. This was bred by Colin Wyatt at Seminous Vegetable Seeds, and we'll cut it this way just so you can see how meaty the tomato is. Now remember, again, when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant, and you're going to see why when you put it in your garden. Thanks for watching, and please check out our YouTube channel.